Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram comments disappearing problem on Instagram app or Instagram comments missing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. First, open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile network connection. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection is properly connected and stable connection. Step 2. Long press or long tap in Instagram app. Go to Apps Info. Click on Storage. Again click on Clear Data. Tap on Clear Cache Data. Step 3. Open Play Store. Go to Search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Again open your Instagram app. Click on any friends. Click on any friends comments icon. Show all of the comments. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram comments disappearing problem or Instagram comment missing problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.